For businesses wanting to realize the full benefits of XR and the Industrial Metaverse, it is essential to consider how end-user experiences can be provided successfully every time. TheoremXR maximizes data processing efficiency by providing an automated and scalable solution for optimizing 3D design data. With no manual data manipulation or complex coding required, end-user rollout is as easy as drag and drop or saving directly from existing software applications using predefined data options, allowing teams to focus on core business tasks. Supporting leading design formats and XR devices, TheoremXR also provides a future-proof solution. Data preparation is the foundation of a successful and fully optimized XR ecosystem, unlocking the downstream potential of 3D data for use in proven XR user experiences. To learn how TheoremXR could benefit your business, please contact Theorem today. We look forward to hearing from you.